Hi guys. So, Axel here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing my makeup today. So, I'm gonna start off by, doing my foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking Maybelline. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the color, in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Is this my shade? Yeah. So, I am dying. Because I have to start school next week, which kind of sucks. Because I hate everyone. I have chips. I suck at doing this. Oh my god. Boo! Did I scare you? Did I scare you? And now I'm gonna take the Master Conceal concealer in the shade 10 Fair, which is probably not even my shade. But you know what? Do we care? No. Oh my god. I put too much. Ah! Oh my god. It's not blending! Okay, there it goes. I didn't do my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face using the Coty Airspun. Setting powder. Ooh. Ooh. Holy crap. Ah!
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows because I need to do my eyebrows. BRB. I'm back. Do you see this? This. Whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into the shade right here. Whoa. Pigment. So I'm just like packing it on. I'm packing it on and then I'm packing it on and then I'm blending it in. I'm gonna cut my crease. Ooh. And now I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line with the same shade. So now I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lash line. Oof. I'm just gonna put on just ocean. Bye.